काउन्सिलर आसा बाब पांडे त्या लागीं म्हाका तें नांव पडलो बाय ऐश्वर्या लागीं म्हाका तेणी रिकॉल पडचे तशेंच आमच्या मदीं कितलेशे पंच मेंबर आसा बाय कर्मचारी म्हाका तेजे लागीं तेणी रिकॉल पडचे तसोच आमचो हांगातलो लोकल हो जाएगा। तो अभी कार्यक्रम को शुरुआत करते हुए हमारे प्रशांत कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है उसको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि सर
हमें माफ करो। यहाँ पे उपस्थित हमारे काउंसिलर दोनों काउंसिलर विनोद पांडे।
नल नहीं है, कोई नल उठा के लेके गया, कोई बेसिन उठा के लेके गया, दरवाजा कोई उठा के लेके गया। सो उसके बाद बहुत
I would like to thank Goa Shipyard Limited for agreeing to repair these toilets under CSR. And I want to recollect that it was Goa Shipyard itself that had given these toilets for the municipal workers in this particular area, which over a period of time got deteriorated. Some of the essential things were missing, and at our request, at my request, they agreed to repair these toilets. In the first phase now, they are doing repairs almost worth 12 lakhs, and thereafter I think another 20 lakhs or something they will be spending, which shows their commitment to society, which shows their commitment for the poor. And these are all the municipal workers who basically reside here. So it is a good initiative taken by them. It's not only repairing the toilets or building the toilets. I want to thank them for various other amenities required for the public as such, that they have always been in the forefront helping us, whether it is for our WOW plant, some of the equipment which is the wealth out of waste plant which is there, the joggers park. Whenever we have asked for certain particular things, they have never hesitated to help us. So I would like to thank the chairman and managing director Mr. Brijesh Upadhyay, as well as Mr. Kamble and Mr. Ajit, who have always agreed to do this work. At the same time, I want to say that as far as Dabolim is concerned, we are always first in development. आम्ही केन्ना फाटी उरना तुमचे बाबतीत. आता हे काम एक्चुअली म्युनिसिपालिटीचे कित्याक हिंगा म्युनिसिपल वर्कर रावता, पूण म्युनिसिपालिटी कांय काम करना. आनी हांव मुद्दाम रिकॉर्डार येवपाक सोदता. आमचो जो CEO आसा थिंगा मोस्ट इनएफिशियंट एंड इनकम्पिटंट, तो कांयच काम करना. आता रेग्युलरायज करपाक हांवें बोर्ड मेंबर हाडून हिंगा दवरलेले. म्हणजे आमचे ऑनरेबल चेअरमॅन and honorable MLA of Mandre, Mr. Jeet Arolkar, came with all his board members, all his MD and all officials. They agreed, just send a request from the municipality to regularize whatever that can be regularized. Even this he has not been doing. He has certain reservations. Then he is unfit to be there in that chair as chief officer. And I would request Honorable Chief Minister to remove him immediately, because one thing is not to do a thing, but propagating it cannot be done behind our back after agreeing. It's like making a mockery of the system. I will not allow such a thing to happen. And as mandated, as has been promised to the people here, these houses ultimately have to be regularized. The housing board is inclined to do this work, and housing board and सांगला आम्ही करून दितले. बाबजीत आरोलकर सांगता हे जावपाकूच जाय, आम्ही करून घेया. सो हांव ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर एक मीटिंग आपय हे सॉर्ट आउट करपाक लायतलो, पूण तो आसचे पसून हे जावपाना. सो एक बरो कॉम्पिटंट ऑफिसर आमी थिंगा हाडटले. असले ऑफिसर आसल्यार म्हाका दिसता खंयचेच काम जावपाना, कित्याक हे भाशेन केलें जाल्यार सगळें पेंडींग उरतलें, मागीर कितें फायदो. सो ताका लागून आमची कामां मातशें फास्ट करप आसता. कोणा पळय ती पद्दत घोस्ता येना वा तें कामूच करपाक सोदना, तेणी घरा बसपाचें.